I'm Jim Brayshaw. I'm privileged to have spent almost 3 decades in the fire and emergency services industry, left as a fire captain, and have been happily engaged in mental health education for small groups and large groups. The neural rut, folks, is something that we can all shift away from in the things that are detrimental to us. The way to find out how to take something apart is to find out why it exists. It's a 4-part sequence. A psychologically healthy and safe workplace is one where we can go to work and we feel safe to interact, to share opinions and views and ideas. The fire hall coffee tables was an intense place because we'd voice our opinions, we'd share our thoughts and stories, and we'd get angry. I wouldn't be the person I am today if I hadn't walked through a lot of the things I experienced in my professional career before this. It's identifying, okay, this is something I've automated. I need to shift. Empathy develops as we experience stuff and take time to process it. So I was able to learn how to care for people. If it's a stress response, here's where the rub comes. Here's where sticks and stones can break my bones, but words can make me sick. Okay, their feelings aren't something I need to fix, but something I get to feel with them. Stress causes inflammation. And inflammation, team, is the biggest driver of disease. We know that now for all kinds of chronic illnesses, all kinds of GI illnesses, I'm learning every day still.